Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, giveaways, unboxings, anything beauty, makeup, skincare, feel good about yourself, things, you can find them here. That was pretty corny. So today we are unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag, and I don't remember what I chose as my thing. I guess we'll find out. You can choose one of the items in here. Get into everything about Ipsy in just a second. If you are new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of March. It is the Ace Beauté Nostalgia Palette. I'll put a link for this giveaway in the description box down below, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. Just be subscribed, watch their videos in their entirety, and we are giving away one of the items in here yet. It's not open. I don't even know which one we're going to give away to one of you, but we will do that. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you're going to need to know. As far as what I have on my eyes today, it is from the Juvia's Place, the Queen Palette, Fumi and Juvia's. And it's mainly these three shades right here. I did want to give it just a quick special shout out. Look at this piece. It is just stunning. I love it. Mint Mongoose sent it to me in a kind of a collaboration, and I just did an email. And I just did a video kind of talking about Mint Mongoose, and they sent 3 items, one of which is in a giveaway to one of you guys in that video. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure to do so. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag. I did re-sign up for Ipsy Plus. I still haven't gotten it yet. I haven't said that it's shipping or anything. Because there's a palette that I really want. And then I think I will get the So Ipsy Glam Bag is $12 a month. There's 5 mainly deluxe size samples. Every once in a while they will throw in a full size product in there, and there's always a makeup bag. For the Ipsy Plus, it's $25 a month for 5 full size products, and then every quarter they do their Ipsy X, and that's kind of so you get 7 to 8 items in the X. And I saw what people were getting last time for the X, which was their first one that they had it, and I was really impressed. I wanted to hop on the train and get the X for this next month. It will be for the month of May is when this one comes out, and I know that it is in collaboration with Khloe Kardashian, just kind of some of her favorite things, and she wanted to share them with you. So I do have a code for Ipsy if you'd like to check it out. I'll leave that in the description box down below. It helps you guys, saves you some money, and it helps me out in any future purchases that I want to make. And sometimes their add-ons are really good, and so picking up some of those. And then obviously you guys, there is no obligation to use that. It's just there if you would like to, and if you do, I appreciate it. So let's open the Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of March. I have started doing spoiler videos for kind of Ipsy and BoxyCharm, FabFitFun, CosBox, those type of things. And so I do know some of the items that you could have gotten in here. And so let me know if that's something that you guys like to see me do or not. Let me know that in the comments down below. So here's what the bag looks like. It does say Ipsy on this side, and it has a kind of pull here, and all the products are inside. Oh, I do remember now what I put on my choice item, because you get to choose one of the items. Here's what the inside looks like. It does have a saying here, confidence comes from within. Love that. So it says March 2021, Your future is female. You got this. Stronger together equality. Like Cher and Dion, and red lipstick and a cat eye, and some things are just better together. Celebrate the people and products that make you look and feel your best. And then it kind of tells me what I got in here, and it says what the full size prices are. There's some kind of cool things in here. Look at this cute little like metal container. So this is from Eco Fabulous Cosmetics. It is the Eco Fabulous blush in Camellia. And this says, the peachy pink shimmer blush is your go-to for a gorgeous flush day or night. Plus the packaging is made of post-consumer materials, also known as it's Mother Nature approved. It is a deluxe size sample. The full size version of this product is $22. I haven't heard of Eco Fabulous, have you guys? Ooh, it's really pretty. Here's what the shade looks like. And I love how when you're done with it, you can kind of just take it out of here. And then maybe you want to store some aspirin or something like that in this or in your car or something. I don't know, that's just what made me think of it. But I think that's a really, really pretty shade. I don't want to swatch this yet because I'm not sure which one of these items we're giving away to one of you. From Coco Kind is a resurfacing sleep mask. Yay, I love sleep masks. It is infused with anti-aging baculio, a natural alternative to retinol, restorative wild indigo extract, and moisturizing beta-glutin. This powerful leave-on mask transforms your skin while you sleep to reveal a brighter, smoother, and plumper complexion come the morning. This is a deluxe size sample. Full size is $22. I'm really excited about this one. So I do know that this one was my choice item, and it is from Ciate, London, and is a fruit burst hydrating lip oil in Lychee and Acai burst. And can't decide between a lip balm and a lip gloss. Swipe on this hybrid lip oil and you won't have to. It deeply hydrates thanks to the acai oil and avocado oil and lychee extract, and gives lips a glossy sheen that doesn't feel the least bit sticky. Tip, give your favorite lip color a boost of moisturizing and shine by layering this on top. It is a deluxe size sample. Full size does retail for $18. I love lip oils. I mean, and it goes on pretty clear. There might be a little hint of a color, but not much. It does feel kind of pretty sticky. More sticky than most lip oils. But let's put this on the top of here for a little bit of shine. And on the lips, it doesn't feel sticky. I think for whatever reason, it just does on my hand. But yeah, on the lips, it's fine. And it does have kind of a fruity smell that I like. So, from Element Beauty Eyeshadow Duo in Lilac Skies and Breeze. Pro quality, ultra wearable, highly pigmented, and easy to blend. There's honestly nothing not to love about this duo of soft, shimmery pink, iridescent lavender eyeshadow shades. Wear them alone or layer them together to create an array of stunning eye looks. Tip, want more color payoff? Pack these shadows onto your lids using your fingers. I always do that when I want more of a metallic look. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size of this is $42. But I mean, look at these shades. Oh, they are stunning. This camera is not doing them justice. This pink purple shade, lilac, oh, it's just stunning. I mean, it's really kind of hard to tell, but it's just gorgeous. Love this. So from Saint Lux is a highlighter in Celestial. When it comes to highlighters, the feel of this formula can't be beat. The shimmery pigments are silky, blendable, supremely wearable, and won't create any creases or streaks. All you see is pretty illuminated skin. Tip, apply to the high points of your face like the cheekbone, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. This is full size, does retail for $18. Here's what the inner packaging looks like. Here's what this looks like. It does have a mirror on this side. And I actually forgot to put highlighter on today, so this is perfect. Ooh, it's really, really pretty, you guys. With highlighter, without. That's really, really pretty. Let's put some on the other side so we kind of look the same. It just, this soft little hint of shine, love it. So I'm really happy with this one. This one, I think, pretty much knocked it out of the park. What did you guys think? Did you guys get different stuff in your bags? If you do get it, let me know that in the comments down below. Secret word, blush. So let's give that Eco Fabulous blush away to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed. Also, put that secret word on the Google form link as well. Do not put that secret word in the comments down below. Let's have this giveaway go through April 11th, Mountain Standard Time, midnight. And then on April 14th, I'll go ahead and make a video like I did recently for that spin the wheel, where we put in people's names. And if they have bonus entries, we put those in as well. And that's how people are announced that they are the winners, as well as I do send a email or an Instagram if that's how they want me to get a hold of them, letting them know they've won and their tracking information as well. Like I did mention, you can get bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty Ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. And then when it comes time for me to put all the names in the spin the wheel, I put in there if people have extra bonus entries or not. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, lost in transit, damaged, customs, anything extra for it to get to you. Please make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you, trying to be a little ray of sunshine for one of you guys. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking them out. I'm trying to grow the channel here, trying to get those watch time minutes up so I can get this monetized so I can do more fun stuff for you guys. And there's a giveaway that I really want to do, but I got to get this monetized first. So if you can help me out on the watch time minutes, that would be great. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.